you think it's impossible to have a 3D printer in Minecraft? Well, you're wrong, because here's a tutorial on how to do it. So, welcome back. Well, not welcome back, so we're back, and this is my 3D printer. So then I'll show you how to make it. I won't show you the design, but I'll show you how to make it. So as you can see up here, there is no 3D printing, but let's actually do some 3D printing. But to do the 3D printing, you will need redstone torches. Depends how big you are. How big the thing is how many redstone torches you're going to need. I know how to play Minecraft. So we should do, let's try and do a smiley face. And then redstone torches on everyone. And then break them. Now look, up here, it has 3D printed it. Voila. So there you go, now we'll show you how to make it. Definitely will show you how to make it. It's a really cool thing you could have. Lots of people didn't know it was this simple to make something that seems so hard to make. Really, that's all you need to do. So let's get into this tutorial. So first up for this, you're going to need to come up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then break those 2 blocks under it. You're going to need to go out as many as you want, so I'm just going to do a short one, because I don't want to bore you guys to death. Like, I have a 15-hour long video. That probably won't happen even if it was long. So this will just be a short one. And then put pistons on the very top. So on every single one, not just around, on every single wooden block or your block of choice. And so I would suggest, if you're doing this, you can do it any colour. I suggest not copying my exact colours. I would suggest not doing that. Because if you did do that, then it would be exactly copying. You don't exactly copy me, you know what I mean. I'm just blabbering away while I'm building this, like I always do in these tutorials. And so once we've done that, we're going to want, so these are the colours you're going to be able to use. So first let's do some line wool. Just like here. Just there. So back to the video there. Sorry, had to go and eat my Doritos. So as I slow down, I'm going to tell you what it basically does. So once you put the redstone torches and all the stuff, it will basically just push all that up. So now once you press that, placed all the line blocks, get this, get your next block of choice. So you can only use this block that you've put on top. I also want truly 3D print it. It will just make it a different one. So, or you could even use lime green, and then break those blocks and see, look, it's 3D printed. So now let's just do this. Nah, we'll need a nose. Wait, we need a nose. There. Redstone torch on everyone. Every time you place a redstone torch, you'll hear a piston. If you don't, and then every time you break it, you'll hear a piston. If you don't, it's broken. And there you go, it's just 3D printed it. So there you go guys, that is the tutorial. Oh my god, that actually looks like a face. That's the tutorial on how to make a 3D printer.